The Badajoz creature sighting was an extraterrestrial sighting that took place on 12th November 1976 at Talavera Real Air Base located in Badajoz, Spain. The witnesses, two soldiers named Jose Maria and Juan Carrizosa, claimed to have seen and shot a being of unknown origin. Both of them were patrolling the fuel storage area of the base. At about 1:45 a.m., they were about 60 meters away from each other when they heard a noise similar to radio interference. Suddenly, the noise became an acute whistle that lasted for about 5 minutes. Jose asked Juan to follow him on an inspection around the area, fearing sabotage. The whistle ceased 5 minutes later. Soon after it, they spotted an intense bright light in the sky that lasted for 15 seconds. Another guard arrived with a guard dog. Together they moved all across the area. When they arrived at a certain point, they heard the sound of eucalyptus twigs being broken. The dog was released and rushed towards the point where the sound of the broken twigs came from. Soon the dog returned sick. The soldiers urged the dog to return to the point several times, each time with the same result. Eventually, the dog started to walk in circles around the soldiers, a technique taught to guard dogs meant to protect their handlers. Juan spotted a human shaped green light to his left. The being was very tall, about 3 meters. It seemed to be formed of small light points, and the brightness was more intense along the edges. The head was small and covered by something resembling a helmet. The arms were very long and were crossed. There was no sight of either hands or feet. Juan fell down on his knees and fainted, which offered his friends the chance to open fire on the creature. Between 40 to 50 bullets were fired, and as the being was hit, its brightness became more intense and finally disappeared. While Juan was being assisted, the same sound as before was heard, lasting for 10 to 15 seconds. Next morning, some 50 men searched the whole area. They discovered that there weren't any bullet casings of the shots fired by the soldiers, nor any holes where the bullets were supposed to have struck the wall behind the creature. However, the Air Force concluded that the machine guns had fired. Spanish Army veteran Vincent Juan said that the guys must be hallucinating. Jose, who later suffered bouts of blindness, got better with time. Friends, what do you think of the incident? Please comment. Thanks.